Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel Wonder Cookroom. I am back with another recipe. This is a Ramzan special recipe. Today we are making easy and quick spring rolls. So let's get started. Let's look at the ingredients we need. Firstly, I have shredded some cabbage. We need 5 cups of shredded cabbage, 3 cups of carrot cut in pieces, and 2 cups of shredded chicken. In the sauces, we need 1 tablespoon chili sauce, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, and a tablespoon of vinegar. For the spices, we need salt to taste and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. And most importantly, we need spring roll sheets. So firstly, we would be preparing the filling for our spring rolls. For this, I am using a large non-stick pan. It's your choice whatever pan you want to use. Here I am put it on medium to high flame and I'm adding a tablespoon of oil. You can use whatever oil you like, olive oil or vegetable oil. I used vegetable oil. And now let's let it warm a bit and spread it all over the pan. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new. Once the oil is warmed a bit, we would start off with adding carrots to it, as carrots are more harder and they need more time to cook and soften. So here I am doing it on medium high heat. Just make sure to mix them time to time so that they don't burn or anything. And now I would be adding the cabbage. It is 5 cups of shredded cabbage. You can add it in batches so that it does not fill up all your pan. As we know that cabbage leaves out water, so it would become half the quantity it is right now. After cooking this for like 3 to 5 minutes, you would see that the cabbage is settled in and the carrots are started to soften. Now when our vegetables are halfway cooked, we would add the shredded 2 cups of chicken and mix it well and let it cook for further 3 to 5 minutes. Now we would start adding the spices. I would start off by adding soy sauce. It is 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. You can increase it if you want it more spicy, and a tablespoon of vinegar along with a tablespoon of chili sauce. You can increase the quantity as per you like, but this becomes very nice. And here comes salt and pepper, and now I would give it a good mix and let it cook for a further 5 to 7 minutes. At this point you would notice that our vegetables and chicken are leaving out more water, so let it cook on high flame for a further of 5 to 7 minutes more until it's all dried up. Once the water is dried up, spread it on a dish or a plate so that the steam does not form any water inside the mixture. Let's prepare the flour paste so that we can stack our sheets. Here I took 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and water and formed a paste. Now we will spread out some sheets and separate them from one another so that we can move on to the next process. Now let's start making our spring rolls. Spread a sheet on a clean surface and on the 4 corner sides of the sheet apply the paste in such manner like I am doing so, and spread it well on the corners. When we are done spreading the paste in the corners, add a handsome amount of the mixture we made, or the filling. It's like 2 tablespoons in each of the, you can say, the sheet. And now let's start folding it. Put them like a bit in a vertical manner, and from the one corner fold the sheet inside from 2 corners like I am doing so, and then fold it horizontally to make a cylindrical shape. Use appropriate amount of the paste to stick the sheet so that it does not get torn or open when we are frying it. So here we are almost done with our first spring roll. Keep that one aside and let's make another one to reinforce whatever I told you. You can dust off a plate with the all-purpose flour to keep these, and so that they do not stick to the plate and torn. Here we have made a few of the spring rolls. These are 6 of them. The total recipe makes almost 30 of the spring rolls like these. And now we would warm up a kadahi and some oil in it, and then when it's warm a bit, you can check by adding a small bit of the side of a sheet, and then we can add all our spring rolls and let them cook for a bit. Make sure that the oil is not too hot or they would burn from the inside and won't cook from the inside. Once you can see if the one side is golden brown, you can flip them over, turn their side like I am doing so. Once your spring rolls have turned golden brown like this, you can take them out of the karai. Here I'm gonna take out mine on a strainer that we use for frying stuff, and now we would shift it on a plate with paper towel. And here our spring rolls are ready for iftar. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.